Welcome to your next home. I'm Todd Wardo with eXp Elite Agents, and welcome to 6260 Bullard Road on All Sports Lake Tyrone. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath farmhouse meets lake luxury, and I can't wait for our agents to show you it.
Created by an award-winning designer, this house comes fully furnished, ready for your weekly rentals or for you to enjoy.
This property sits on over a half an acre on Lake Tyrone. Lake Tyrone is all sports, private, and 102 acres.
Thank you so much for checking out this beautiful lakefront Michigan home. We'll see you soon.